In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put black bars on your video in DaVinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by finding the clip that you actually want to add these black bars into. I'm just going to show you in this small clip. So, you're going to click on the clip that you want to add the black bars to and click on the top right corner of Inspector. You're going to scroll down to where it says cropping, and if you just want to add the bars to the entire clip, you can either add it on top and bottom or left and right. Now, if you want them to actually move into your video, you're going to make sure you're at the beginning of the clip with your play bar and click on the two diamonds of top and bottom. Then, you're going to move your play clip to where you want your black bars to end. You're going to click those diamonds once again, and then move the bars to where you want them to be. And that's all there is to it. It looks like it is animating into the screen. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.